Mansory is no stranger to pushing the limits of automotive design, and the latest creation in their lineup is no exception. The Mansory Ford GT Le Mansory takes the already extraordinary Ford GT and turns it into a work of art that is as bold as it is controversial. Inspired by NBA superstar Stephen Curry, this one-off custom supercar brings the color scheme of his Under Armour Echo sneakers to life in an automotive form, blending high-performance engineering with eye-popping aesthetics. Back in 2020, Mansory introduced a wild body kit for the Ford GT that sent shockwaves through the automotive world. Fast forward to 2025, and that same radical creation has been revamped and reintroduced, now featuring a collaboration with Under Armour. The result? A jaw-dropping supercar, the Le Mansory, which is as striking as it is unique. The Ford GT Le Mansory is an absolute head-turner. The first thing that stands out is the vibrant yellow and black color scheme that draws inspiration from Stephen Curry's Echo sneakers, unveiled at the NBA All-Star Game. This design is not just a paint job but a symbol of the collaboration between the iconic NBA player and Mansory, reflecting both speed and style. Mansory has taken every panel of the original Ford GT and modified or replaced it, leaving almost nothing of the car's original design untouched. The only familiar feature is the taillights, a small nod to its Ford GT roots. Starting at the front, the Le Mansory flaunts an aggressive new look. The front end is dominated by carbon fiber elements with a checkered finish, a custom-designed hood created by Mansory's Atelier division, and striking new headlights. The sleek horizontal daytime running lights give it a futuristic vibe, and the bold modifications make it clear this is no ordinary Ford GT. As you move to the rear of the car, things get even more extreme. Mansory has added custom carbon fiber rocker panels and skirts, new wing mirror caps, and two large roof scoops that add to the car's aggressive stance. It's not clear whether these scoops are functional, but they certainly add to the Le Mansory's menacing presence. The massive rear wing is perhaps the most attention-grabbing feature, supported by a new engine cover, carbon fiber flying buttresses, and a new diffuser. To top it off, there are 3 tailpipes, giving the car an exhaust note that matches its wild exterior. Under the hood, the Le Mansory retains the Ford GT's 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine but has received significant upgrades. The engine now churns out 700 horsepower and 619 lb-ft of torque, pushing the car to new performance heights. While the Le Mansory's power is undoubtedly impressive, the real showstopper is its design. Every inch of this car is custom-built to make a statement, from the exterior modifications to the interior details. Speaking of the interior, Mansory has ensured the cabin matches the bold aesthetics of the exterior. The cabin is lined with yellow and black leather and Alcantara, echoing the sneaker-inspired theme. Mansory and Under Armour branding can be found throughout the interior, completing the collaborative look and feel. It's clear that no detail has been spared in creating this ultra-exclusive, custom Ford GT. Only 3 examples of the Le Mansory have been built, making it an incredibly rare collector's item. This is the 3rd and final one, marking the end of this exclusive series. For fans of Mansory's outrageous designs, this is the ultimate statement vehicle, a blend of performance, style, and branding that showcases the cutting edge of automotive customization. In conclusion, the Mansory Ford GT Le Mansory is a true spectacle, combining outrageous modifications with incredible performance upgrades. Its partnership with Under Armour and Stephen Curry brings an exciting new twist to the world of supercars, making it one of the most unique creations on the market. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying that this supercar is impossible to ignore.